What if you could breathe cleaner air without the constant hassle and expense of replacing filters? The Shark NeverChange Air Purifier revolutionizes home air quality with its groundbreaking 5-year filter life that saves you over $300 in replacement costs. This isn't just about saving money, it's about enjoying consistently clean air that captures 99.98% of airborne particles, including allergens, dust, pet dander, and smoke, down to microscopic 0.1, 0.2 micron sizes. Covering up to 650 square feet, this powerful purifier handles large rooms with ease, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices. The innovative odor neutralizer technology doesn't just filter air, it actively guards against odors while releasing a fresh scent for twice the odor reduction compared to filtration alone. The debris defense protection pulls in large particles like hair and dust before they reach your HEPA filter, maximizing performance and extending that incredible 5-year lifespan. Real-time air quality monitoring through CleanSense IQ technology shows you exactly how clean your air is, while the compact, sleek design fits seamlessly into any space. Ready to transform your indoor air quality for the next 5 years? Find the product link in the description and comments.